we'll start learning the pronouns. Okay. What is pronoun, brother? In Arabic we call it damir. Remember? And damir is also ism. In the group of ism, damir comes. Why? Because it also has dun dan din. Anything has dun dan din is ism. Are you with me? Okay. We are going to learn the marfu form of damir. Marfu form of pronoun. Okay, we are going to learn. Now, pronoun is a word used as a substitute for a noun, so that you don't repeat noun all the time. If I say to you, Muhammad came, and Muhammad said, and Muhammad ate, and Muhammad read, brother, it doesn't sound nice to your ear. What I will say, Muhammad came, and he sat, and he ate. Now that makes much easier, and it's nicer to the ear. So the pronouns come instead of nouns so that we avoid repeating it. Okay? Fine. The pronoun that refers to the speaker. In English we call it first person pronoun. It refers to the speaker. We call it first person pronoun. Can you tell me, give me an example of first person pronoun? I and we. Huh? Okay. A pronoun that refers to the hearer. Huh? Second person. And then pronoun that refers to somebody who's not in front of us, who's in other room or away, we call it third person. Are you with me, brother? We always start the pronoun with the third person. We start with third person. And all the verbs, in its first form, in the verb, when you take it in its original form, it is always past tense, and it will always say he. It won't say she. Now don't blame me. I didn't invent anything. That's the way the language is. It comes with he. When we talk about verbs, we'll do it. But in pronouns, we also start with he. Are you with me? Now what is he? It's a singular. It's a third person. And what else it is? Masculine. MashaAllah. Now brothers and sisters, in Arabic language, either a thing has to be a masculine or feminine. No in between. No. No in between. Either he or she. Anything has to be pair. Okay? So we start with singular he. Then in Arabic language, brothers and sisters, we have something very special. Because Arabic is very precise. When you say two, you mean two. Okay? In English, we say he, and then we say they. Even if there are two, you say they. But in Arabic, if there are two, you mean two and not three. If it is less than three, then it is two. And that is dual. Okay? So we have in Arabic language singular, and then dual, and then plural. Singular, and then we have dual, and then plural. It's amazing, brother, how the Arabic language is, honestly. This is the palm of my hand. 4 fingers and thumb. And in each finger, there are 3 sections. Are you with me? Okay. So if I say masculine, then I have first section singular, dual, and plural. Isn't it amazing, brother? I think it is, I should say in the language of our children, it's cool. Okay. Number 2nd finger. Let's make it feminine. So, again, singular, dual, plural. So these two fingers, peace, these two fingers are for third person. And then the next two fingers are for the second person. Same thing, masculine and feminine. And this thumb, brothers and sisters, this thumb is for first person. But then there are only two sections. So in thumb we have only singular and plural. Okay, fine. Okay, brothers and sisters, we start now with third person. It's called, what is it called? Al-Ghaib. Now again, those with Urdu, they have an advantage. What is the meaning of Ghaib? He's absent. He's not here. Okay, which means somebody not in front of us. We are talking about somebody who is not here with us. Third person. We call it third person. We start with singular. What is the singular, brother? What is it, brothers and sisters? Huwa. What is next one? Dual. Huma. And what is plural, brothers and sisters? Hum. So he, they two, and then they. Okay? Now this is, as you know, it is masculine. Okay? We call it mudhakkar. Okay? And then we come to muannas. And then it will become hiya. And then huma again. And then hunna. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? It is hunna. Muannas. Muannas. Feminine, brother. Okay, brothers and sisters, here we are. First finger. Just like tasbih. First section, huwa. Second section, huma. Third section, hum. Second finger, feminine. Hiya, huma, hunna. Is it? If you know it, then I can do the whole thing. But if you want to do it gradually, then we will only do this. Huwa, huma, hum. Hiya, huma, hunna. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Huwa, huma, hum. Hiya, huma, hunna. And then we come to al-mukhatab, which is masculine, al-mudhakkar, and that is anta. See, the hamza of anta is hamzatul qata. I put a little neck of hamza on it. It's like putting a dot. Next one, antuma. And plural, antum. What will be the fourth finger? Feminine. Anti. Antuma. Antun. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? This thumb is for first person. Al-mutakallim. Are you with me, brother? Al-mutakallim, the one who speaks. But then there are only two sections. Ana and nahnu. Both mudhakkar and muannas are same. Ready? Huwa huma hum. Hiya huma hunna. Huwa huma hum. Hiya huma hunna. Anta antum antum. Anta antum antum. Anti antum antunna. Anti antum antunna. Ana nahnu. Ana nahnu. Huwa huma hum. Hiya huma hunna. If you want to sing with me, you are welcome to sing, brother. We'll sing in a chorus now. Okay? Try to memorize it. Now, what are these pronouns, brothers and sisters? These are called damirun munfasilun. Okay, what is the meaning of munfasilun? They are detached. Nothing attached to it. Detached. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? So they come on their own. They will stand on their own. And brother, all of them are you listening? All of them are dun. What are they are? It means they are marfu. They are all marfu. Okay? They are marfu. They will come as a mubtada. Most of the time. They will come as a mubtada. Huh? Okay? Here is an example. Ana mudarrisun. How will you translate? I am a teacher. So what is ana? Mubtada. MashaAllah. Because if you say ana means I want to tell you I know that. Okay? More than that, it is mubtada. And mubtada is always marfu. And it is definite. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? So these pronouns are definite. And they are all marfu. Anta talibun. So what is the translation? You are a student. So what is anta? Mubtada. Are you with me, brother? Huwa talibun. He is a student. Are you with me? Huwa talibun. Okay? We won't go into huma and hun now. Hum later on we'll go. But this is how it will work. So first and foremost, brother, you will try to memorize it. It's easy because I will be repeating so many times this thing that inshallah you will catch up. And inshallah you will also memorize the song. So then it will become even more easier on you. Huwa huma hum, hiya huma hunna, huwa huma hum, hiya huma hunna. Anta antum ma antum, anta antum ma antum, anti antum ma antunna, anti antum ma antunna, ana nahnu, ana nahnu.